Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. We back at it like adding no rehab. So, I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So, first, we're going to look at this little Chevy Classic. I picked this one up off the ACB. I actually got some more cars coming from ACB. I got a couple more. And it's already some that I already bought and sold that I didn't show y'all. I bought 17 cars. I don't know if y'all gonna see this video before the end of the month or it's the first. It might be the last video of the month, or it might be one of the last videos. So I end up might get more cars, but at this time of y'all seeing this vehicle, I bought 17 cars from ACB. That's kind of what I was just locked in, just laser focused. Um, since I wasn't doing too much in Oklahoma Exchange, I was like, let me laser focus in and just boom, 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 boom. So that's kind of why the videos was not producing. But now I'm just gonna get back and dropping them and just basically showing y'all what I bought and go from there. Little 2005 Chevy Classic. Nothing spectacular. You know, nothing spectacular. Paid 50 bucks for it. Bought it on the, I believe it was 50 bucks. But y'all will see the screenshot. Bought it for 50 bucks on the no reserve sale. Interior is really not the best, kind of beat up, but it's a low mileage car. They say, it says the low mileage, but I never trust these older cars, but it doesn't have any service lights on. Only thing, it got an airbag light, but it doesn't, like, no check engine, no nothing. The heater and everything work. All these older Chevys just tore up. I mean, interior ain't the best, but little 4-cylinder, decent tread on the tires. Decent little tread on the tires. Looks like they replaced that cooling reservoir once upon a time. I did buy a refurbished battery, so it is a refurbished battery that they put in there. So something like this. I paid 50 bucks for it. The thing that cost the most money was all the transport, so it was like $500 in transport and buyer's fees. So I got like 600 bucks in it. It rides and drives good. I got the oil change and it needed a battery, so that's like another 100, and so it's like 700 bucks. Mainly all the money is tied up in transport. If it was something here locally, then hey, I wouldn't worry about it. Or if I had a towing company myself, then I could have saved that money. But for 50 bucks, sell it. I always say 50 bucks, but you gotta add in all the costs. So I'll sell it for like 12, 13, 14, 1500, 1600. I'm not one of those people that be like, oh, this car, let me go. Somebody buy this car, won't do nothing to it, and they have it out there. They wouldn't even clean it up. I at least sprayed it all, vacuum, got the oil change, battery, and they be having this out there for like $29.95. For me, I'm gonna throw it up there, 17, 1800, 15, 1600. Make $700, $800 real quick. Boom. This is what I like. I like these. Like, I always like keeping some of these. So that's why. So we gotta keep the quick sales. We gotta keep the ones that we hold for the money, and we gotta get those by here payers. But I appreciate everybody for rocking. Give y'all one more little walk around in the vehicle. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all would sell this car for. Because I mean, it's 2005. It says 157, but like I said, I never go off when I'm buying an older car, because I never know. Because this car is a 2005, so produced in 2004. So this car is 20 years old. A 20-year-old car with the interior looking like that. If the interior was in better shape, then I would probably believe that the miles on there was correct. But who knows? The miles on there might be correct. I just don't know. But I'm gonna just say what the miles on there. But one more walk around and we out. See, listen to it run. It's purring. It's purring like a kitten. Came from the Lone Star State. See, it got a Lone Star State plate. but then it says Lafayette, so Alpha Auto. So I don't know. Don't know. We don't know. Cut that thing off.